How to change your Telegram download file location. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Telegram file download location. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Telegram on your Windows, and after you open it up, on the top left hand side you will see the three lines. Tap on it, and after you're there you'll see the settings option. Tap on your settings. After you're on your settings, you'll find an option that says advanced. Head over to advanced settings, and right here under data and storage you'll find downloads, and right below that you'll see ask download path for each file. Now if you turn this on, whenever you try to download something from your Telegram on your Windows device, it will ask you in which folder you want to download it. So simply select your folder then and you're basically good to go. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.